Okay, so in last video we created a fee type. Now we are going to create a fee period. So let's create a fee period for which we will be calculating this detail. So let's say it's 22nd August I'm doing. So I'm just selecting the same date here, the franchisee, and I'm just creating this fee period. Okay, and for just our verification we can just put something like this and we have the details here. So it got created successfully with the proper details. Now let's go to the franchisee and create a fee setting so that we can download the KPIs. So I'm just selecting the same one which we have. Okay, so this was the fee tab I created. So I'm going to create a new fee setting for this fee tab and franchisee. So I'm just selecting invoice amount, maybe percentage, and some values here, and I need to select the fee period which I just created. So this is the fee period I created and territory, and these are the product I'm selecting and just creating the fee setting. Okay, so now fee setting is created. If we need to verify it again, we just need to search and see the fee setting. I'm just showing you that detail. So now here you can see that which I created is coming up here. So now let's go and to the franchisee KPI and download the KPI for this. So once I created that fee setting, so basically now we can download the KPI for the same duration. So I'm just clicking here and the fee period which I just created will be coming at the bottom. So as I created for this, so I can just select this fee tab and click on download KPI. So now the file is downloaded. I can see that it has some details here. So let's update it. So for sorry, upload it. So I click on here and okay, give me 1 minute. I think it's downloaded here. Okay, so this was the file. So let's open it again for just our verification. Yeah, so it's the same one. So I just clicked here, so you can see some processing is going on. And okay, so now we can see the details here. Okay, and let's view the details. So this was the amount that was coming from there. If we want, we can put something here and create an invoice for them. So maybe let's put something for our friends and click on approve and create invoice. So once I do that, so you can see that invoice is created and we can see the details here. Yeah, so it's coming up something like this. And now if I go to the menu again, okay, sorry, so I need to go to finance and franchisee invoices. So I can see the one which I just created is coming up here, and you can see the status as created. So now you are as we have set automatic expect invoice days to 4 here, so that's why it not got automatically accepted, and so the status is showing as created. And to verify whether what was the details we updated here in the profile, we can go and click on the under admin, we can click on the profile and we can see the settings. So yes, it has been updated for the 4 days. So whenever a invoice is getting created, it will not be automatically move into the accepted state. So from here onwards, now we have one more integration, so which is Paya. So now the role of Paya here is to pick all the invoices which are in accepted status and create a nacha for them and put it on the FTP for further processing. So basically Paya process these invoices within 3 to 7 days and revert us with the status which we update in this last column. So basically if there will be maybe some error condition error messages or status like this one, debit sent pending or insufficient fund or successful, and based on that we have the status like whether that invoice is being processed or not, and the franchisee account is debited and the credit has been sent to the franchisor. Okay.